Hello, friends! Welcome to the story of Dr. Peelz, the cutest yet financially most challenged monkey in the jungle. Dr. Peelz wants to grow his pile of bananas, but it keeps slipping through his fingers. Fortunately, today, he and we will be taught the most important secret of the jungle. We will discover how to manage bananas. In our jungle, bananas are everything to monkeys. Food, shelter, and the value that allows them to get what they want. So, whatever money is in your world, bananas are that in the monkey's world. And Dr. Peelz's greatest goal is to collect plenty of bananas and ensure this supply never runs out. Today, we will examine the magical formula Dr. Peelz learned that will change his life. The power of compound banana returns. This is a power that makes your bananas grow new bananas for you. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Then let's start Dr. Peelz's first finance lesson. Monkeys have two ways to collect bananas. Simple banana return. Let's say Dr. Peelz gave 10 bananas to his neighbor and agreed to receive one new banana every month in return. One in the first month, one in the second month, one in the third month. Dr. Peelz's main pile of bananas always remains at 10, and his earnings are fixed. This is what you call simple interest. The main banana pile does not grow this way. 2. Compound banana return. This is where the magic begins. Dr. Peelz gives 10 bananas to his neighbor again, but he adds the one new banana he earned to his main pile. Now, he has given his neighbor 11 bananas instead of 10. In this case, next month, his neighbor brings him 1.1 bananas, or a slightly rounded number, instead of 1. Do you see? As Dr. Peelz's main pile grows, the number of new bananas returned also grows. This is what we call compound return. This is like the bananas falling in love with each other and giving birth to more bananas. The first lesson Dr. Peelz learned. If you reinvest your earnings, your banana pile will multiply. Dr. Peelz didn't take managing his bananas very seriously until he turned 30. But then he regretted it deeply. Banana experts showed him how big an opportunity he had missed with a simple calculation. The calculation is this. Let's say Dr. Peelz planted banana seeds, invested, equal to 25% of his income every month from age 30 to 40. He planted a total of 10,000 banana seeds over 10 years. That wasn't a bad start. But what if Dr. Peelz had started this at the age of 20? Banana experts showed him that even if he had only planted 10,000 banana seeds for 10 years from 20 to 30, his banana pile would have been much bigger when he reached 40. Why? Because those first 10,000 banana seeds grew new bananas on their own for the 10 years until Dr. Peelz turned 30 and started planting again. And those new bananas, in turn, grew more new bananas. Dr. Peelz had missed out on tens of thousands of bananas because he was 10 years late. This is the magic of time, the biggest secret of compound return. As Dr. Peelz learned, the earlier we start, the more time we have, and the faster our banana pile snowballs. Remember, the biggest secret is not how many bananas you plant, but when you start planting. Dr. Peelz learned a simple rule to manage his bananas correctly. The financial monkey rule. This rule requires him to divide every 100 bananas of his income into these 4 piles. Growth pile, 25%. These are the banana seeds working for Dr. Peelz's future freedom. He must never touch these bananas. He should invest them in the most trusted jungle funds, shares from different trees across the jungle, and leave them alone. 2. Emergency protection pile, 15%. This pile is insurance for unexpected events that might happen one day. If his monkey car breaks down one day, or a storm blows away his shelter, these bananas save him from falling into trouble and having to sell the valuable seeds in his growth pile at that moment. These bananas should be kept in a risk-free and quickly accessible place. 3. Essential needs pile, 50%. This pile is the bananas Dr. Peelz needs to survive. Rent, food, water, basic clothes. He shouldn't overdo the luxury. The richest monkeys in the jungle are not the flashiest ones, but those who know what they need. He should only spend what he needs and avoid getting too caught up in luxury spending. 4. Reward pile, 10%. Life is not just about planting bananas. This 10% is the bananas he will spend on things that make him happy. A delicious coconut feast, a mountain trip, a fun night out with friends. This pile is like a cheat meal that allows him to sustain his banana discipline. He should take his reward, enjoy it, and feel no guilt. We learned from Dr. Peelz' story, wealth is not about finding a sack full of bananas all at once. Wealth comes from starting with small steps and consistently planting your bananas as seeds with patience and regularity. To continue our simple finance learning videos with Dr. Peelz, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.